click like and subscribe.
Keep left.
I do that 3 4 times again. I testify.
So guys, I'm here struggling as hell because I've never traveled by myself before. Okay, the last time I traveled by myself I was like 14 or 15 years old, and that was Jamaica, so that was easy. But America airport so damn big. Anyways, me go use the bathroom now because me a piss up. Yeah, I'm not going up by the gate. I feel weird without my suitcase. Wait, me never bring my hat? No, I did not. Okay, F. Hold on, let me check the gate number.
Closed properly. Please be sure that you and your belongings are clear of the doors. We are about to depart. Please stand clear of the doors and... This is Mayor James Castle. On behalf of our great I wish you safe.
So guys, my tripod broke. My tripod broke. And I hardly used it, so that's depressing. And I had to chug off my water just now because I can't bring it up here. So I had to hurry up and drink it all. Wow, a PS4. F80. Okay. It's not really as bad as I thought it would be, but it's still a bit difficult. Yeah, I'm down here. Okay, let me have a seat because I should have, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna use the bathroom again because in here very cool. Guys, I just finished using the bathroom. I'm gonna take a tour up here because I'm tired of sitting down right now. I have, where's the clock? They don't have the clock in here? I have like 2 hours. Let me see. I have like 2 hours remaining until boarding time, so why not just walk around and show you all a little bit, because yeah, I wonder how far this airport goes. Probably end down there, but yeah, I'm gonna just walk around a bit. I won't get lost. I'm just looking. Yes, guys. No, nothing. Yes, more or something, because my breakfast not going to hold me for the entire day. So guys, I have like 1 hour and 23 minutes around that left. So look here, my pass match when I'm ready. My pass match when I'm ready. But yeah, I have like, I still have over a hour left to wait. Okay guys, so now boarding the plane and yeah. guys, I'm on this thing, escalator thingy. Walking to my gate now because my flight going to start boarding in like 20 minutes. But it says 6 minutes until I get there. So I got fast. Guys, what's your? You have to walk and try avoid walking into people. Brother, okay, so far, how did you drink it? I'm going to use the bathroom, not that to the study spot. I want to use the bathroom. So, I'll turn the camera and let y'all see.
Love you for a long time, babe. If you let me touch and if you let me love you to the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me touch you, if you let me love you, love you for a long time, babe. If you let me touch and if you let me love you to the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me touch you, if you let me love you,
So guys, I just landed in New York and I'm going to go collect my suitcase now. I hope I'm going the right direction. Yeah. I'll let y'all know how that goes. I'm gonna check the map. So guys, I'm outside. I got my luggage. I'm currently waiting on my ride. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. It was good. Only thing, the turbulence and stuff. Yeah. So guys, I didn't even update y'all. Hold on, I need little light. So, shit. Yeah. So guys, I'm in New York for like 3 days. How much days? Today is now Sunday. I came here Thursday. I leave here Tuesday. So, how much days is that? Thursday, Friday. Well, no, count Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 5 days. Yeah, for 5 days. I don't want to count Tuesday. Should I? Okay, let me count Tuesday. Thursday, my bad. Let me count Thursday. So 5 or 6 days. And yeah, I leave here Tuesday. It's been great. Wait. I should be going to Times Square tonight, so I'm wondering if I should make 2 different vlogs or make it 1 vlog. You know what I mean? Like, for make it 1 vlog, put everything in the 1 vlog, because who wants to see just me? No, travel vlogs be boring. Be for real. Travel vlogs be boring. Who wants to see you going on a plane and come back out? No. Who wants to see you going on a plane, see the sky, and see when you come back out and see you reach? No, nobody don't want to see that. Nobody wants to see that shit. So guess what? I'm gonna make it 1 vlog. I'm gonna put everything in this 1 video, so you can see Times Square and don't have to wait for the other video. So what you need to do now is get this video. People are watching me now. Get this video to plenty views. I'm not getting on now, but get it to plenty views. Share the video, come and do something good right now. Instead of making 2 videos like some YouTubers are making 1 video. 1 video. So if you can, please just like the video right now. Like the video right now. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram at KingJOfficial268. So I'm currently in New York. I just went and visited my aunts in New York. I'm not say which parts in New York. I almost did. So right now I'm in Mount Vernon. She's not in Mount Vernon, so nobody think that. Nobody think that she's in Mount Vernon, because she's not. Yeah, the drive was long. Okay, it's going to be another driving again, like probably 1 hour and 30 minutes to go to Manhattan. I should be going live as well tonight. I told them that I will go back live to show them Times Square, you know, because I'm that nice. For those persons that doesn't have the privilege to see Times Square, I'm going to go live tonight on TikTok, you know. And yeah, follow me on TikTok, guys. I'm usually live like every night, but since I come here, I've only been live once, and that's today. And yeah, thank you for all who passed through. And you know, yeah, when I started YouTube, I never started YouTube for money, honestly, and I still don't care about the money. But when I started TikTok, I started TikTok for the money. Like, honestly, like, when I start TikTok, I work hard. Forget the 1,000 followers. Because, yeah, I do it. So I can't get the money now. I'm on TikTok. I don't know how to tell you, how much I make. But I make different amount based on the time of the live and who joins the live. Yeah, so if anyone of y'all ever want to come on my live and bless me with a lion and the lion, I don't want lion, I want Leon and the lion. Leon and the lion cost more than lion. Yeah, so anyone of y'all want to send me the 400 US, that would be great, because that shit costs 400 US. Like, people rich now, because you can't sit down and send somebody one lion what cost 400 US dollars. No, that's crazy. The Interstellar, okay, sure. The Interstellar is like 106 US dollars, I think. The price of these things on TikTok. Let me knock off the light, I don't want to do the battery. But yeah. So let me tell you all the price of these things on TikTok. I feel like I should make 2 different videos now. I feel like I'm gonna chat plenty. Let me tell you the price of these things on TikTok. TikTok is not what y'all think it is, because TikTok be taking most of the money. For those TikTokers who know this, TikTok be taking a lot of the money, like half or so. So a money gun is, when you're buying it, it's $5.30 US dollars. A gold mine is $10.30 US. Because a goal mine is 1,000 coins on TikTok, and the money gun is half of that. What I'm saying, a money gun is 500 coins. Yeah. So do the maths. So TikTok be taking like after the money gun money. After when they make like 5. After when they get like a money gun, TikTok probably get like on 250 US. Just a shoot. Sometimes. I don't know. I don't know. I don't be taking notes of how much things I get on TikTok. But when I do end the live and I see my balance, yeah, it tell me how much I make. Then when it's time to check out, you have to check out in your PayPal. And when you check out in your PayPal, TikTok takes some of the money again. And then when you check out from PayPal to your bank account, PayPal takes some of the money. And then so when you think that these TikTokers are making the whole money, they don't, because TikTok already took some, and then TikTok still takes some after you send it to PayPal, and then PayPal takes some after you send it to your bank account. And yeah, you know that more chat my business from camera, so now. Like more chat my business. I don't want to. Man. Let me come off for this. I care about them. Let me come off. So I have supporters here in New York, and I can't even see them, man, because they don't even know I'm here. Well, they don't know I'm here. Some people know I'm here. People on TikTok know I'm here. Some people on TikTok know I'm here. But my YouTube family, most of y'all wouldn't know that I'm here in New York. If you're in New York, like one time I was in Antigua, and I don't know if I've ever mentioned this in my video, but I was supposed to shout her out, but I'm not sure if I did. So if you're watching this video, you asked me not to call your name on camera, you and your daughter. I think I've did a shout out before, I can't recall. But I have other supporters here in New York, because people be messaging me. But you know yourself, you and your daughter, you said your daughter is studying, I think it's a doctor work, I think, I'm not sure. I went to Antigua yesterday, but I wasn't too much in the crowd, I should say. I never went in the crowd that much. I stayed back behind the stage. So yeah, I just want to say shout out to you. I remember your name. I must say the first initial, D, and your daughter, J. Shout out to y'all. Yeah, but I've seen a few people that I know. I just passed Kyron and Kid Fresh down the road. Yeah, I just passed them down the road, but they never get to see me though, because when I pass, so, and he was putting a suitcase in the car, but I don't do it, I say, Kyron! Yeah. Oh, he say never hear me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video now. And so, yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I got a haircut. In the United States, and the barber have used. So big up to my new barber, Ivan, his name. Big up to my new barber, Ivan. Like, no, I'm not being racist or anything, because I have no problem with white people. One thing is that I wouldn't date them, because guys, later. So guys, I'm now at Times Square, and yeah, I'm outside and sing. So I was planning to go live, but at the same time I'm planning to vlog, So I don't know how that I go. Plus I think I'm gonna come back again tomorrow. So yeah. Yeah.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't.
So guys, it's now Tuesday morning and I've been here from since after, call it 3 o'clock, and now it's after 4 in the morning AM. Yeah, I haven't slept yet because I haven't been at the place to rest myself, so I'm very much on the road and stuff. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, it's a sweater, so of course you can see me in it again. I have on a neck shirt underneath, but yeah, I know I was just at Times Square, but yeah, it's a sweater, not a shirt, so you can see me in it. But anyways, yeah, what my jacket? Take it in my suitcase, man. But anyways, so I'm hungry. I mean, now I get copyrighted now. Right, airport of play music. But anyways, I'm hungry. I'm here looking for something to eat, but no, we haven't opened as yet. So I don't know. They probably open like 6 o'clock. I don't know. I have no idea. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to tell you all that I am home in Florida. I'm walking in my neighborhood. Shit. Yeah, it's almost a week since I'm home. I came home last week Tuesday. Today is now Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. So you know, that's almost 1 week since I'm home, and I just forget about the video. I forgot about the video. So I'm now updating y'all. Yeah, I'm taking a walk in my neighborhood. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at KingJoeOfficial268, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Adios.